What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be working on the RX7, and yeah, some stuff has happened, unfortunately, since the last video. I'll show you right now. As you can see, we got the car halfway in the garage because something absolutely horrible has happened. And if you have been following me on Instagram, you'll know that I shattered the windscreen, which is so unfortunate. Now, I wasn't too upset about it when it happened because luckily we have some friends, some really good friends that actually do glass repair. Unfortunately, it's just another setback for me to actually be able to drift this car. Another issue that happened was, actually, the reason why the windscreen is smashed is because I was with the man, the myth, the legend himself, Wandering Guides and Tuning, and we're doing a street tune on the car. And yeah, these hood pins, both of the hood pins failed on me. This one is literally just zip tied to it because the little actual post is gone. Crazy. But yeah, I have some new ones. I'm gonna replace those. And then hopefully they'll be here soon to actually fix the windshield. It just sucks because it's literally just another setback, more money that I have to spend because, you know, it's the cost of doing business. I gotta do some fiberglass repair on the actual hood itself. And then I actually need to buy a new ECU. Now, when we were street tuning the car, unfortunately, we couldn't get the tune really smooth. It's probably because I'm running, 25-year-old hardware and software with the Apache Power FC, which in today's day and age probably doesn't work. I'll show you what the actual harness looks like because it's not plug and play at all. Yeah, so this is the actual ECU right here. It's a really old Apache Power FC with a kind of jank harness. No offense to whoever did this work, but it could be a little bit nicer. It could be cleaner. And there's random wires everywhere. This nest of wiring. Now, luckily, most of the wiring is good, and it's just doing its thing in here. But this stuff right here, all the gauges and whatnot, yeah, it's kind of crazy. I'll clean it up one day, but right now my priority is actually getting the car to run and drive well enough to compete. Hello. Konnichiwa. Oh, Ikehara-San, genki desu ka? Genki desu ka? This is Ikehara-San and Na-chan. By the way, Na-chan is single. Go ahead and hit me up if you want to talk to her. I'm joking. Yeah, めっちゃやばい。ストリートのチューニングがめっちゃ飛ばす。So there they got the glass and the actual trim seal. You can see it's already ready. They just got to get that glass off and then do the whole thing. I don't know, I'm not a glass guy, but I am looking forward to seeing this nice and clean again. They already got the old glass out pretty quickly. They are professionals, absolutely. New glass is over there. Old glass is over here. Crazy. Wow, かっこいい。すごい。ありがとうございます。One thing that I really wanted to do was clean the inside of the car. However, this hatch was stuck. Tried pulling the lever a couple times, nothing happened. And then randomly when I moved the car into the garage, it just lifted up a little bit, picked it up, and now we're gonna clean it up. That is crazy. You can already see the difference between this side and this side. I haven't done anything to this side. I didn't even rinse it. I just wiped it with some soapy water and it already looks 10 times better. It's just like ashy, you know? Time to put some lotion on this bad girl. Yeah, the car looks awesome. Everything's nice and clean and shiny. Oh, that's crazy. It was so ashy before. My wife and I spent probably 35-40 minutes detailing it just a little bit. Look at that, nice and clean, the dash. Oh yeah, that's awesome. We gotta leave the doors and the hatch open in order for the sealer to actually fully cure. Because if you close the doors, that pressure will pop the windshield out. So we're just gonna keep it like this for a little while. But yeah, the car looks so nice. Spend a little bit of time polishing her up. She looks great. I'm so happy. Unfortunately, I am back to square one in getting the car tuned because the car still isn't tuned. And I cannot, in good conscience, try to drive around this tune. Because, I mean, the car runs and drives. I mean, I moved it. But past 4,000 RPM, it doesn't really want to do much until it gets to like 5,000 RPM. It's like a really weird pocket where it's both lean and rich in the tune. So I'm gonna have to get a new ECU, which is unfortunate. So yeah, Link, Haltech, hit me up, you know. No, I'm joking. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next one.